So hi guys, hello everyone. Most welcome to my YouTube channel Usman Creation and welcome to my new video. So guys, in this video I can tell you about, I can describe you about Yagmur ozturk and Erkan Meriç, your favorite actor, and these photographies you can see it's 4K photographies collections, and I collect these photos from Instagram, and it's very well photographies. And please, if you new here, like this video and share this video to your friends, and also to tell them like this video. Make sure subscribe my channel for more latest video. Also press the bell icon to all notification to receive my new video to you to your friend. And thank you so much for coming my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.